Tired of using the same assets over and over again? Losing time switching between complex 3D tools? Here's a solution that will revolutionize your workflow and creativity. Introducing UModelerX and ithappy Studio. Spending too much time exporting ithappy assets to external tools and re-importing them into Unity? Now edit directly inside the Unity editor. With just a few clicks, create a diverse set of characters instantly. A single detail can change the entire mood. With UModelerX, refine and reshape effortlessly. UModelerX simplifies repetitive, time-consuming steps. Gain effortless control over complex environments. Want to bring static assets to life? Tired of complicated animation workflows? With UModelerX, rigging and animation are simple and fast. Create dynamic scenes in just a few steps. UModelerX and ithappy Studio unite to bring creators the ultimate Unity experience.